morning students. So today we are continuing with the seating arrangements. Yeah students, actually yesterday we discussed this topic and we initiated the topic as such, but I thought that you may be having some confusions in handling the topic. Let me tell you what kind of complications you are having in handling this topic, students. What is the main problem in handling this topic? What we are doing and what is the main reason why the topic seems to be a little confusing. If anybody says that, sir, I am not able to get my question, probably there may be two reasons for that. One thing, you are not having the basics right, maybe, yeah, and another one, you are not actually getting the question right. Getting the question in the sense, you should be able to understand what the examiner is expecting from you. Reasoning is not that easy for your information, my dear students. It is not that easy. It is not that easy as it seems actually. Sometimes, yeah, it seems to be so easy, but not every time. Yes, students. So, good morning all of you. Now we continue. Did you find any difficulty in yesterday's paper, my dear students? Did you find any difficulty? I think we are going strong, but still if you find any difficulty, please let me know. Please let me know. Anything we want to discuss again? Yeah. I feel that now everything seems to be so simple, but maybe yesterday I just want to come again. Students, first of all, what we discussed yesterday? Let me come to the point again. What we discussed yesterday, as far as seating arrangement is concerned, students, you must understand that seating arrangement is something taken like this. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, let me suppose there are 7 people sitting in this particular row, and if I say that, so let me suppose that if I say some information something like this, A is third to the left of B. Students, then how do you take this information on the line? So, we are dealing with 7 people. If I give you that A is third to the left of B, then how do you think, how do you take this information? The position of A depending on B, but we do not know where is B. You understand that? We do not know where is B. Where is B in this particular line? When there is any such point, as I told you that, we will be taking this information just like this, B, and 1, 2, 3, this is A, which means to say that when we are not confident of putting the information straight on the line, we will be taking the information outside the line. We will wait for some time till we get some connection. You understand the point? Till we get some connection, we wait for some time. So, that is very interesting, is analytical point, reasoning. The name itself clearly gives us analytical reasoning, analysis of the information. You will be given information in arbitrary form, different informations will be given. You need to put everything in the straight line. It is not that easy, my dear students. Is it not that easy? It is not easy as it seems. Sometimes it is definitely time consuming. But students, yes, topic itself is definitely time consuming if we do not process. Yesterday English exam we have written, okay students. Yeah students, good morning all of you. Very good morning man. Now yes, we continue. Probably there may be two different reasons why you are unable to get into the topic. One, as I said that you first read the question thoroughly before we start doing. Second one, if you cannot take the information on the line, take the information outside the line, then we continue. Okay student, now here we go. So, this question we already discussed. I think there won't be any confusion. When there is no such confusion, I want to skip it off and then I want to go to the next one. And this one also, yes, we did. So, I think there is no such confusion. Question number 3, 4 and 5. Students, 3, 4, 5, which means all the 3 questions basing on single information. You see? So, once you are able to arrange all the information in the right direction, you will be getting 3 to 4 marks. Sometimes even 6 to 7 marks. You understand that we are not doing this question for a single mark, but we are for multiple. Hence, we need to focus completely. You understand that? Yeah, students, now question number 66 to 8. Did you find any difficulty in handling this question, student? Please let me know. Let me know. Did you find any difficulty in handling this question? Let me know. Question number 7 you are asking me. Okay, students. Question number 7 you are asking me to explain. Of course, question number 7 in the sense 6, 7, 8 both obviously the same. Maybe you are unable to find it in the right direction. Maybe yes, yes, yes. Student, is that one you are asking me? Is that one you are asking me, students? Okay, 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 okay. No? Then tell me what is the problem we are facing? Is this everything fine? Yeah, I think there is no problem, but question number 7. Yeah. Students, now please listen to me. Maybe you find little difficult. Let me explain you. Okay, 6, 7, 8, almost all the questions are basing on the same. Yeah, student, just look at that. In this question, just I want to come back. Here we go. Just I want to quickly discuss this question. Please look at that. 11 students, we are discussing about 11 students. Therefore, what we do, we take 11 positions like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, we are discussing about 11 people. Let us see how we handle this question. Here we go. Now, first information, D who is to the immediate left of F is to the second right of C. Tell me, student, D who is to the immediate left of F. Tell me, D happens to be immediate left of F is second to the right of C, is the second to the right of C. Did you see that? D second to the right of C, immediate left of F. Did you understand that, my dear students? Now, we move on to question number 3. A second to the right of E. You understand this point, my dear student? E is one of the ends, which means to say that E should be taken in this particular place. Do you understand why E is supposed to be taken over there only? Why can't here? You understand that? Because once you fix E, you can fix the position of A. Have you seen that? A second to the right of E, that is the reason why. You understand? Come on, student. Then J is the immediate neighbor of A and B. A and B, here we have J. Therefore, A and B, here we have J. Come on, student, I think you are able to understand that. This information so far we could not able to put. We need to put this information on the line. We wait for some time till we get the next information. Come on, here we go. Next, come on, student. H is to the immediate left of D. Come on, student. H is to the immediate left of D and third to the right of I. Who? H. H. Third to the right of I. 1, 2, 3. H. Third right. For D, immediate left. So, all the 5 people should be sitting like this. Can you place them over on the line? Yes, we can. Therefore, here we have I. Come on, student. Then we have C, H, D and F. I hope you understand, my dear students. Then tell me anything we have to miss. J is immediate neighbor of A and B and third to the left of G. Who? J has to be third to the left of G. See. Anybody left? Yeah, one person, that is K. Here we go. I think now you are getting it right. Students, I just want to go to the next level of the question. To facilitate you to take to the next level, I must see that you are so comfortable in this particular level. That is the reason I am taking some more time to make it clear to you. Okay, please understand. Next one. In the above sitting arrangement, which of the following statements superfluous? You understand what is the meaning of superfluous? What is the meaning of superfluous? Superfluous. What happens, when you are getting too much of water in your tank, you just switch it on motor to get some water into your tank. What happens, after some time, after filling up the tank, the extra water superfluous, which means excess information. Did you find any of these 5 informations are excess to you? Did you find any of these informations are excess? Can you leave any of the information to get the setting? I think no. We make use of every information. Therefore, this particular question, your answer is none. None in the sense, none of the information superfluous. We require each and every information to get the setting. I hope you understand, students. Okay. So, I think we are comfortable, no problem, student. If we discuss some more questions, we will be getting more clarity. I find 6th question, student, 6, 7, 8 both all belong to the same one, man. Right, student, no problem. Now, we move on to the next question. Now, let us see how you are able to handle this question. 5 girls are standing in a row facing east. Okay, facing east. Student, first of all, I just want to tell you that, as far as our seating arrangements are concerned, you see that this is supposed to be north facing and this is south, isn't it? You all the people are supposed to be facing to the north only. How you are sitting? You are facing to the north. You see that you are just sitting like that. So, just imagine how you are sitting. You are sitting onto the north only. So, there are only 2 sittings. One is north, another one is south. Any other east or west, whatever it is given, you need not consider that. You can take it as a north only. Okay. So, just forget about the east and just tell me 5 girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 girls. So, now we are discussing about 5 positions. Here we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ready, students? Now, here we go. Savita is to the right of Usha. Savita is to the right of Usha. It is only said right. What right? First right or second right? Not given. Student, you just listen to me. A is immediate right of B. Then how do you take, my dear students? B and then A, isn't it? Isn't it? I think you understand that. If I give this information like this, A is to the right of B, to the right of B, I only said that A is to the right. What right? Immediate, second right. I never mentioned anything. If that is the case, this is how you have to take. What is the significance of taking arrow? A has to be the right. What right? I don't know. Student, I think you are able to understand my point. No problem, student. If we answer few questions, you slowly get into the topic. Maybe it is difficult in the first stroke, but once we discuss some more questions, everything will be all right. No problem. Just look at this. Here we go. Come on, student. Tell me how many girls we are discussing with. We are discussing 5 girls. Now, here we go. Tell, Savita is to the right of Usha. Who? Savita. She is right of Usha. Which I mean to say that Savita has to be the right of Usha. That can be first right, second right, whatever it is. This is all my right. You understand? This is all my right and this is all my left. For me, for you. This is your right, this is your left. Confusing? That is the reason why the question is said to you, my dear students. You should not confuse. We have to get the solution, that is aptitude. You understand that? Next one. Oh, yeah. Savita is to the right of Usha, Tulsa and Urmila. Okay. Therefore, Usha, Tulsa and Urmila, after these 3 people you get Savita. Read the question, student. Savita is to the right of Usha, Tulsa and Urmila. Did you understand that? After 3 people, Savita has to come. You understand that? After 3 people, Savita has to come. How many people you are discussing, my dear students? How many girls we are discussing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now my question to you. Wait, my question to you. Are you ready? My question to you. Just stay there, stay here. Don't read the remaining information. Stay here, just stay here. Tell me, students, in how many ways Savita can be placed? How many possibilities are there for Savita to sit? Respond. Savita, Savita. In how many ways Savita can be placed? Come on, students. In how many ways Savita can be placed? I am waiting for your answer, my dear students. I am eagerly waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your response. Somebody responded, but you have to check once again, student. Yeah, come on, student. How many ways? Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Wonderful, wonderful. That's the point. That is the point. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, student, I really congratulate you. Yes, 2 ways. You understand what kind of 2 ways? Yeah. Savita can be placed here or she can be placed here, because there must be minimum 3 persons before Savita. You understand that? So now we have 2 chances for Savita. You understand that? This is very interesting, you know. Let us see the next information before we get the final confirmation. Yeah, students, I got the point. Next. Usha, Tulsa and Urmila are to the right of Kumud. Students, I just want to underline one more data. You please look at that. Usha, Tulsa and Urmila are to the right of Kumud. Therefore, here it must be Kumud. You see? Because these 3 people should be right of Kumud only. Therefore, I understand one thing very clear. Out of the 5 girls we are actually discussing, here it should be Kumud. Come on, student. Here it should be Savita. And these 3 places should be occupied by Usha, Tulsa and Urmila. So we confirm. Look at the next information. Urmila is between Usha and Tulsa. Urmila is between Usha and Tulsa. Therefore, these 2 places must be given Usha and Tulsa. And another information, Tulsa is 4th from the left. Tulsa is 4th from the left. This is the left end. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Tulsa. And hence this is Usha. I hope you understand, my dear students. Now you tell me what is the question. How far is Usha from the right? How far is Usha from the right? So she is 4th from right end. So from right she is 4th. Therefore your answer is Usha is 4th from right end. Student, I think we are getting it right, okay? Yeah. 4th from right. Yes, everybody seem to be answered the question. Very good, very good, very good. So students, don't underestimate the topic, level of the topic. This is only beginning. It seems that you are going so strong, you are able to get the point. Shall we go to the next level of the same topic? Shall we go to the next level? Come on, student, please respond. Shall we go to the next level? Should I discuss some more complicated question? Shall we discuss the next level? If you are confident enough, you please respond yes, or otherwise I will get back to the basics once again. Which one? Which one, student? Which one you are asking me to respond? Shall we go to the next level? Next level in the sense the same setting arrangements, but with a little more complicated. Can we respond? Come on, student. Okay. Yes, everybody says okay. Yeah, it seems that yes. Come on, student, now we got it. Now here we go. So with the full confidence, we are moving to the next level. Yeah, we'll discuss this later. We discuss this later. Yeah, students, just look at that. Here we go. Probably you may not be able to read the question. You may not be able to read the question because the font is so little. You may not be able to read the question for sure. I read the question for you. You just follow the question. This question is taken from one of the one of the toughest examinations in India, SBI PO, State Bank of India Probationary Officers. Student, as I promised you already, we will not settle with the simple questions. No, we don't be settled with the simple questions. We go the best level. Here we go. 8 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting in a straight line facing north. Each of them has passed a recruitment exam and must join the office in different months, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, but not necessarily in the same order. This is very interesting. Students, please focus. See how complicated the questions can be given. See how many people we are discussing about? We are discussing about 8 people. You understand that? We are discussing about 8 people and they pass an examination, they are about to join in 8 different months. Students, listen to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you surprising? Why did I take like this? Because there are 2 reasons. For example, if I place G here, then that is the position of G. So tell me, student, where G is sitting? Extreme left. If I place G over here. Okay. If G, under G, if I give July, which means to say that G joins in the month of July. In this question, we have to discuss 2 points. One is, what is the sitting position of G? Second one, in which month they are joining. You understand that? We have 2 things to discuss. One is the position, second one the month they join. You understand that? Come on, student, I just want to ask you some questions. You please tell me, So we have 8 people to discuss with. 6, 7, 8. We have 8 people to discuss with. For example, tell me, student, after confirmation, if I could able to find D here, what is the meaning of that? D sitting third from left end. D is sitting third from left end. At the moment, if I could able to take like this, can you confirm in which month D joins? In which month D joins? If I give you something like that, in which month D joins? No, we can't say. Absolutely. At the moment, if I give you that information, we can't say, because only the position of D is confirmed, but not the remaining aspect. So, over there, that is the positions, and below, that is the month they join the office. You understand that? For example, student, please listen to me. Out of the 8 positions, let me suppose that out of the 8 positions, if I found June over here, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? I don't know which person is going to occupy this place, but that particular person is going to join the office in the month of June. I hope you understand that. That particular person is going to join the office in the month of June. Did you understand, student? So, did you see the complication in the question? We are handling 2 points. One is the placement, where they sit. Second one, in which month they join. If you go on to the next level, student, there may be even more complications. Therefore, we need to understand the question. Okay? Student, now I am just going to ask you one question to you. I am just going to give you one question. Please listen to me carefully. Ready? Here we go. Just forget about the data. We discuss the data later. First, let us come to the point. We discuss some of the points in sitting arrangement, then we discuss this question, then you will be so confident. Okay, here we go. Student, if I found, forget about that, if I found m is sixth to the right, oh, m is not given there, okay, no problem. For example, g is sixth to the right, of the one who joins in May. If I provided this information to you, now you please respond how many chances we get from this information. If some information is given like this, I am asking you to confirm how many chances do we get. Come on, student. I am waiting for your response. I am waiting for your response. How many chances do we get? If this is the information given to you, how many chances do we get? Yeah. I did not get the answer so far. We are moving on to the next level, my dear students. Do understand that we are moving on to the next level. Oh, how many chances do we get? G is sixth to the right of the one who joins in the month of May. If I give this information to you, I am asking you to tell me how many chances do we get. Somebody says 5 chances, somebody says 2 chances, somebody says 3 chances. Come on, student, give your answer, respond. Somebody says 1 chance. Oh my God. Yeah. Because many of you provided 2 chances. Yes, we get 2 chances. You want me to tell you how? Come on. How many people we are dealing with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me, student. The position of G depends on the one who joins in the month of May. Chance number 1. If you take May here, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G can be taken here. This is possibility number 1. Possibility number 2. Remember, we are dealing with 8 people, isn't it? If you take the one who joins in the month of May over here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G can be taken there. My dear students, we get 2 chances. If that is the information given to you, then we get 2 chances. Why you are saying that more than 2, my dear students? We get only 2 chances. Very well done. Student, yeah, that's the point. That is the point. Very good. Students, have you seen that while handling this kind of questions, your percentage, your qualification doesn't matter. What actually matters? Your presence of mind. That is the reason why this is one of the most sought out topic for any competitive examinations. Do you understand that? I hope you are getting it right, my dear students. Shall we go to the next level? Come on, here we go. Come on, student. For example, here we go. The one who joins in February sits 7th to the right of B. Come on, student. Come on. If this information is given to you, tell me how many chances do we get? Come on, student. How many chances do we get if that information is given to you? Yeah, I will explain, student. I will explain once again. No problem. Tell me, student, if that particular line is provided to you, tell me how many chances do we get? Waiting, 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 but not responding. Come on, student. Come on, come on. Very good, very good, very good. One chance. Very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, we get only one chance. Excellent, excellent. No, no, no two chances, only one chance. Only one chance, my dear student. Yeah, that's very good. See, see, see. The one who joins in the month of February is 7th to the right of B. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, if you fix B over here, that is only chance available. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you have to take the one who is going to join in the month of February. That is only option available if you take the information like that. Very good, very good, very good. Students, somebody even says, yeah, but many of you mentioned only one chance. Very good, very good, very good. That's very well done. This is the reason why the topic is so familiar. Ready? Now student, now we start the question. Here we go. Don't panic about looking at the question, a little lengthy for sure, but we can really enjoy if we start doing that. This is called problem solving skills. Ready? Come on, here we go. What is the first information? G sits. Come on student. What is the first information we are discussing? G sits third to the right of the person who joins in the month of May. I wish to take the information outside. Here we take. Come on student. G sits third to the right of the person who joins in the month of May. If this person is going to join in the month of May, 1, 2, 3, this is G. You understand the significance of taking the information outside the line? You know that because we can't fix right now. Come on, next information. The person who joins in August sits second to the right of G. 1, 2, this is August. What man? Comfortable? May 1, 2, 3 G 1, 2 August. Actually, how many people we are handling? 8 persons. 6 persons are already there. Another 2 persons. See, let us see how we can do it. Come on, go ahead. Next. A and E are immediate neighbors of each other. Okay. Which means A and E should be put side by side because they are immediate neighbors. And then neither A nor E has joining dates either May or August. Okay. A and E are not joining in May. A and E are not joining in the month of August. And neither A nor E is an immediate neighbor of G. Okay. Neither A nor E is an immediate neighbor of G. Student, did you understand that? Did you understand that? A and E are not joining in May. A and E are not joining in August. Neither they are immediate neighbors of G. Student, are we clear? Are we clear so far? Come on. Are we clear so far? Yes or no, student, please respond. Are we clear so far? Yes or no? At least to the point of, to that extent only. Are we clear so far? Come on, man. Come on. Are we clear? I think we are clear. To this extent, I think we are absolutely clear. Yes. Yes. Well done. Well done. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Yes. People say yes. Student, anybody say no? Why you are saying no, man? What is the problem? Why you say no? No. Many of you said yes only. Very few people say no. I will explain them later. No problem. Come on, student. Did you understand that? The position of G depends on the one who joins in the month of May, August. But A and E has to be immediate neighbors. But the problem is, you never find the place for A and E in these 6 positions. Then what I do, you know? What I do, you know? Just listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just listen. I am just going to give you one interesting point. These 2 positions I want to fix for A and E. These 2 positions I want to fix for A and E. Then I give this position for May. 1, 2, 3, this is given to G. 1, 2, this is given to August. Why, man? A and E has to be immediate neighbors. But they should not join in May, they should not join in August, neither they should neighbors of G. Therefore, A and E should be given either the first 2 places or the last 2 places. Let me take a chance that those 2 people are given first 2 positions. Okay, student? Shall we go ahead? Okay. So, how far, what information we completed so far? This information. Now, we need to start from here. Start. H sits third to the right of the person whose joining date is in January. H sits third to the right of the person whose joining date is in January. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third to the right. Who is this? H. And who is this person? The one who joins in January. This is the person who joins in the month of January. 1, 2, 3. Because H sits third to the right. Okay, then next continue. Neither A nor E has joining dates in January, which means joining January cannot be taken either A or E over here. H joining date is not in August, H cannot be taken here. Therefore, the only chance is this is January, 1, 2, 3, this is H. I hope you understand what I am telling you, my dear students. Student, I think we are getting it clear. Student, I hope that you are able to follow my class. Yeah, we are going to the next level for sure, but you need to focus. Remember, all the questions are not as simple as you see. Sometimes we need to go to the next level as well. Yeah, still student, no problem. I will tell again, no problem. Did you understand this? January, 1, 2, 3, this is H. Of course, August still we don't know. This information we already use, now we cancel this because already we put it in the line. Next information. Only 2 people, please underline this, only 2 people sit between E and the person whose joining date is in July. Only 2 people. Therefore, A and E, you see these 2 places are given for A and E. Now, the chance is E, this you must give for A. You can ask me, sir, why you are giving that? I tell you. Only 2 people sit between E and the one who joins in the month of July. E, 1, 2, here we have July. I know that what confusion you may be having. Please let me complete once, then I will come to the point again. Please look at me. Then, next information. Then come on, student. The person whose joining date is in February sits on the immediate left of D. D and immediate left is February. Did you understand this? February, D. Tell me position, tell me student, how many ways we can adjust? February, D, chance number 1. February, D, chance number 2. Tell me student, February, D, chance number 1. February D, chance number 2. Wait for some time. We complete the next, we go to the next question. Then, only one person sits between E and B. Only one person sits between E and B. See, only one person sits between E and B. Then, C joins before July. C joining date should be before the month of July. July before means it can be June, May, April, something like this. Therefore, so C never joins in July because C joins before July. Neither C joins in August because C joins before July. Only chance for C is this. Student, tell me. February D. Now we have to adjust February D over here. No other option. Anybody left? A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, this position has to be given to F. So this one we already discussed, therefore we can cancel. Now tell me, student, anything we need to confirm? Yeah. We need to confirm the month of A, E's month and G's month. Let us see this. E joins after April. E joins after April. After April in the sense May, June, July. Tell me how many months we have? After April. After April means May, June, July, August. But May we use, July we use, August we use. The only unused month after May is June. After April means it can be May, June, July, August. But only June is vacant. Therefore, we can give it for June. Tell me, students, how many months do we have? We already used June, May, January, everything is used. How many months do we have? Yeah, June was already used. I think we have to use March. Yeah, March is remaining. One, we have to use March. Anything, students? May is also used. January is also used. February is used. April and March. These 2 months we have. April and March, these 2 months we have. We should give those 2 months for A and G. What is the condition? G joins after A. Therefore, A has to join March and G must join in the month of April. This is one of the toughest questions in setting arrangements to the level of a CRT program. I am not talking about the other exams. But I know that you are not able to get my point clearly, because I already told you that we are moving on to the next level. Therefore, yes. Yeah, I understand, my dear students. So, board, I think, because the font is a little small, you may not be able to see that. No problem. Student, the problem in this kind of questions is, you may not be able to get this question right. At least you understand how to handle a question. The same question will not be asked in the exams. So, do not look at the question as it is. Just try to understand how we are handling the question. How we are handling the question is all important rather than simply solving it. Please do not confuse, as I told you already, we are doing a little complicated question. Therefore, please we wait for some time. I will explain this question in a different direction, you will be getting it clear. I can assure you. Okay, student? Student, we take a break for 5 minutes, we get back and then we complete remaining questions. Please understand that we are moving on to the next level. Please understand. Yes, students, I understand that. So, when we are going to the next level, I understand that the people are facing a little difficulty. Yeah, I get the point. Somebody raised some questions to me and I need to answer. Should I update cheyama messages? Update outlet. Yes, students. Now, please look at that. Yeah. Come on, student. Now, I just need to explain you some of the points here in it. Just look at that. The point in this question is, here in this question, apart from the setting, we need to confirm the month they join. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we are discussing about 8 people. Yeah, I understand that. In this question, not just the setting, but also the month they join. So, that is equally important. Maybe because of that reason, you are getting a little confusion. Come on, student, let me explain you once again. Let me tell you how we are taking this question. Just look at that. Students, G sits third to the right of the person who joins in May. Second one, the person who joins in August sits second to the right of G. What do you understand from that? The position of G depends on the one who joins in May. Therefore, if you take May here, 1, 2, 3, this is G. And then the person who joins in the month of August sits second to the right of G. This is always a big challenge, my dear students. The biggest challenge in test of reasoning is this particular topic you don't have in your school or college level. You might see this question right now. You need to answer this question on the spot. It is always a challenge. I understand that. No problem. If we discuss the second time, you will get it right. Just see how we can discuss. Then again, A and E are immediate neighbors. Just look at it, my dear students. A and E are immediate neighbors of each other. They should be sitting in 2 seats, successive seats. But we can't find those people in these 6 places because they don't join in May, they don't join in August, neither they are neighbors of G, which means A and E should be given either the first 2 places or the last 2 places. You understand that? If we give A and E first 2 places, then we can start May from here. 1, 2, 3, this is G. 1, 2, this is August. You understand that? I am taking a chance. Some student asked me, sir, how much time we can spend for competitive exam? Because competitive examination, we do have the time limit. Yeah, I can tell you that. But we cannot do the questions immediately. We have to make our base very strong before we answer the questions in examinations. I think you understand, my dear students. Therefore, we are giving A and E first 2 places. You understand that? So, this is what we call is taking a chance. In problem solving, we have to take some chance. This is one such particular. No problem, student. Maybe if we discuss one more question, you will be getting more confidence. Now, here we go. Let me go to the next question. 13 and 15, all questions are basing on the same data. Come on, student, please look at question number 16 to 20. Now, let us see how good you are able to answer this question. Read the question seriously. Come on, here we go. Come on, student, please go ahead. Yeah. If you put A and E extreme right, you won't be getting your answer. That's a very good question. Somebody put the answer. So, how we can, if we give A and E over there, I will explain you, my dear students. I will come to the point. When the question is a little complicated, we have to give one more try. Okay, we just discuss. Here we go. Please look at the question first. There are 6 persons sitting in a row and are facing north direction. Distance between 2 adjacent persons is among 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but in any order. Oh, this is very interesting. In this question, it is not just the sitting, sitting of 5 persons, it is not just the sitting, but we should also see the distance between. The people. It can be 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 6 persons. Do you understand, my dear students? Now we have too many challenges in the question, which mean to say that here we go. Come on, student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people we are discussing? We are discussing about 8 people. For example, if I give A and B here, what you can say about A and B? A first left of the row, B second left of the row. That you can say. That is about the position of A and B. That is about the position of A and B. You understand that? Okay. For example, come on, student. If I take A here as well as B, and if I take 4 meters here, what does that mean? The distance between A and B is 4 meters. The position of A, extreme left, position of B, second from the left. You see, student, A is at extreme left, I think you understand that. B is second from the left, I think you understand that. These two comments we can make, and also between A and B, there are 4, the distance is 4 meters. How many ways we can comment? We can comment about the position of A, position of B, also the distance between A and B. You understand, my dear students? Now here we go. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you understand. Here we go. If I take A here and if I take B here, and let me suppose this is the distance between these 2 points is 5 meters. The distance between these 2 points is 4 meters. Okay, student? And the distance between these 2 points is 7 meters, if at all. Come on, student, can you tell me what is the distance between A and B? What is the distance between A and B? Comment. I am waiting for your comment, my dear students. What is the distance between A and B? I am not getting answer from your side. What is the distance between A and B? Come on, respond. Come on. Come on, student, what is the distance between A and B? Okay, that's very good. The distance between A and B is 12 meters. 5 plus 7, that is 12 meters. Very well done, very well done. For example, student, if I take 6 meters over here, can you tell me what is the distance between B and D? What is the distance between B and D? What is the distance between B and D? Yeah, that's very good, that's very good. Yeah. Which means to say that in this question we need to confirm the place they sit, also the distance between these people, we need to confirm all the 3. Ready? Now I think we can start the question straight away. Here we go. 1, come on, student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can ask me, sir, why you are taking like this? I am taking like this because in this question it is not just the placements of the people, but you should also see the distance between. How many distances do we have? 4 meters, 5 meters, 6, 7 and 8. Student, as far as reasoning is concerned, we do not discuss too many questions. We discuss very limited number of questions with more clarity. Once we have the clarity, we can answer any questions, isn't it? Therefore, getting the clarity is all important in reasoning. Please understand that. Come on student, here we go. Q is sitting, we start here. Q is sitting 13 meters away from both P and L. L, who is not sitting at any of the end of the row. Oh, this is very interesting. You understand what does that mean? Q, come on student, 13 meters away from P and L. Q is sitting 13 meters away from P and L. What does that mean? This is 13 meters between Q and P and this is 13 meters between Q and L. Chance number 2, chance number 2. What is another chance? Q can be taken here. Here we can take P, here we can take L. But the distance should be 13 meters in both the sides. You understand, my dear students? Please understand. If you find any difficulty, you please respond immediately so that I can make it. Yeah, students, yeah, we are going very strong. Yeah, I am discussing some of the best quality questions in test of reasoning. Definitely, this is a challenging aspect for sure. The questions we are discussing is far more complicated ones, but we need to get it. It's a break is already. It's come on student. Q is sitting 13 meters away from both P and L. Here we can take P, there you can take L, or else there you can take P, here we can take L. But the distance must be 13, 13. Students, tell me how many combinations of 13 are there? 6, 7 combination, 5, 8 combination. 5, 8, 13, 6, 7, 13. Students, are you getting it right? It's really wonderful, you know. Now you need to think seriously before, unless you think, you cannot get the answer, you know. Any further information? L, who is not sitting any of the end of the row. L, who is not sitting any of the end of, L should not be taken on any of the end of the row. Student, shall we take a chance? Shall we take a chance? Okay, shall I take? Now here we go. Because already we discussed this kind of questions earlier also, no? Therefore, now I think this is the time that we can take a chance. 5, 6. Come on student. You take L here, okay. You take P here, okay. And in between you take Q. Get the point? Q, P, L. The distance between Q and P is 13. The distance between Q and L is 13. Student, am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? Please comment. Am I clear to you right at the moment? Yes, student, I will explain you. I will explain you in detail. No problem. Please focus. Please focus. Am I clear to you? If I am not clear, then please let me know once again. If there is any confusion, please respond. You can ask me, sir, why you are taking like this? I am taking like this because of two reasons. Q is sitting 13 meters away from both P and L. From P 13 meters, from L 13 meters. You can ask me why I am taking like this. 13, what is the combination of 13? 13 combination is either 5, 8. You understand? 13 combination is either 6, 7. 13 combination. 6, 7, 5, 8. Therefore, If this is 6, 7, this is 5, 8. If this is 5, 8, this is 6, 7. That is the reason why I took it like. Am I clear to you, my dear student? Yes? Yeah, this is only one of the chance. Yes, student, this is one of the chance. This is one of the chance. Another chance L can be taken here. I told you already I am taking a chance. Let me see whether my chance is going to be correct or not. If there is any mistake, I will go ahead. Student, am I clear to you? You can ask me, sir, why you are taking L here? Because L who is not at any of the ends. Okay. And hence the distance between these two places must be 4. The distance between these two places must be 4. You can ask me, sir, why 4? You can ask me, why 4? The reason is 5, 8 combination should be given here. 6, 7 combination should be given there. See, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To get 13, the combination can be either 5, 8 or 6, 7. What is remaining? 4. Therefore, I have taken 4 over here. This is one of the chance. Let me explain you with another chance. Wait for some time. Next. Come on, student. N is 11 meters to the right of O. Who? N is 11 meters to the right of O. 11? Who? N. 11 meters to the right of O. Who man? N. O dash dash N. What is the gap? 11 meters. Did you understand? 11 meters. 11 meters in the sense the gap can be 4, 7. 4, 7, 11 meters. Tell me another one. The combination can be 5, 6. You understand? The gap can be 4, 7 or 5, 6. N is 11 meters away from to the right of O. Just wait for some time. Distance between M and O is at most 12 meters. Then distance between L and O is not 7 meters. Oh, distance between L and O is not 7 meters. Okay. L and O is not 7 meters. Therefore, O cannot be taken here. Next. Distance between M and O is at most 12 meters. Student, tell me where the confusion lies. Let me come to the point again. Here we go. 1, 2, do you understand it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can ask me, sir, what you are going to do with this? Here I have to take the distance. How many distances we have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But not consecutively. It can be something like any. Here I am going. So what I did, I took a chance with L. And if I took over there, Q should be taken here. And Q is 13 meters away from both P and L. This is. You understand that? And hence, do you remember, my dear students, the gap of 4 meters is taken here. I think you understand this. Next information. Just read the next information. N is 11 meters to the right of O. N is 11 meters to the right of O. N is 11 meters to the right of O. How many chances? O N. What man? O N. I think you understand this. Then O N. How many chances? 2 chances. O N. Come on. O N. How many chances? 2 chances. N is 11 meters to the right of O. If it is to be 11 meters, combinations are 4, 7. You understand that? Combinations are 5, 6. Because 5, 6 is 11. 4, 7 is also 11. Do you find any complication in handling this kind of question, student? Maybe easy questions you are able to do this, but when the questions become little more complicated, you need to focus more. That is the reason you find little difficult. Tell me, student. O, N, chance number 1. O, N, chance number 2. You understand that? If you give O, N, M should be given here. If you give O, N, M should be given here. You fix it. O, N. And this is given to M. Let me explain you. Please wait. Student, if this is the question, if this is the case, what is the gap between O and N? It is 11 meters. 11 meters in the sense the combination can be 5, 6. You understand? The combination can be 5, 6. Did you understand this? The combination can be 5, 6. Then how should I take? This, let me take 6. This, let me take 6. This, let me take 5. Tell me. O, N. What is the gap? 11 meters. L and Q. What is the gap? Should be 13 meters. Should be 13 meters. If this is 6, this must be 13, students. 13. If this is 6, this must be 7. 13. If this is 5, this must be 8. I think you understand this. Did we find anything, any information we have misleaded? You see this information. Distance between L and O is not 7 meters. But the problem is, if we take like this, the distance between L and O happens to be 7. Then did we make any mistake over here? Yes, we did mistake. Then immediately we change. How we change? This we take 5. This we take 8. I hope you understand, my dear students. And this we take, because we have to maintain a distance of 11 meters, this we take 6 and this we take 7. Little confusing, you know, lot of confusion. Simple questions you are able to do, but when the question is a little complicated, you are getting it difficult. Please look at the question right now. We justify each and every information. Look at that. We justify each and every information. Q is 13 meters away from both P and L. Q. P. 13 meters, 6 plus 7, 13 meters. From L, 8 plus 5, 13 meters. You understand that? 13, 13 was justified. Next. N is 11 meters to the right of O. N. 11 meters to the right of O. 5 plus 6, 11. Right. Done. Distance between M and O is at most 12. See. Distance between M and O is maximum 12. We do have 12. Then distance between L and O is not 7. Yes, it is not 7, but it is 8. You understand? Tell me, where is the logic in the question? Where is the logic? How many people we need to discuss? We need to discuss about 6 people. We need to discuss about 6 people. What is the interesting condition? Q is 13 meters away from both P and L, which means to say that I took Q over here and this I have taken P and this I have taken L. You can ask me, sir, this is one of the option. No, what is another option? Yes, we have another option. What is that? P can be taken here, L can be taken there. We discuss that later. We need to check it out whether it is right or wrong. Tell me, what should be the gap between these two people? 13 meters. The gap between P and Q should be 13. The gap between Q and L should be 13. What is 13 combination? Combination of 13 is 6 and 7, 5 and 8. Therefore, what is left? We left with 4. 4 can be given over here. You understand that? You understand that? Because in between we cannot take 4. Therefore, 4 is given over there. Next information. What is the next information, my dear students? N is sitting 11 meters to the right of O. O. Who is this? En. And what is the gap between these two people? Should be 11. Tell me, what is 11? It can be 4 plus 7, 11. It can be 5 plus 6, 11. You understand that? Wait for some time, we have to get it. How many chances? O-N, come on student, O-N. If you give O-N, M should be given this particular place. But what happens, distance between M and O is at most 12. Therefore, M and O should not be far away. They should be close enough because we have to maintain a distance of maximum 12 meters. Therefore, O, come on, O, N, M is not correct because they are getting separated. Therefore, O, N. And hence, this is M. Then O and M are closer, we can maintain the distance of 12 meters. Come on student. And then next one. Then, anything we miss? Oh, one thing. L who is not at any of the ends. Oh, that is the mistake we have committed. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. L who is not sitting at any of the ends. Therefore, L. Any of the ends. Earlier we have taken L over here. And this is P. You understand that? And this is Q. You understand that? The gap should be 13 meters, my dear students. The gap should be 13 meters, as I told you already. And hence, the remaining 4 meter gap we can take here. You understand that? And then, what is the next condition? O dash N. That is just we have seen. How? O. No. Because if you take O N, here we can take M. O N, and this position is given to M. I hope you understand this. Come on student. Then 13 meters. What is 13 meters? 13 meters means it can be 6, 7. 13 meters can be 6, 7. Then it is 5, 8. If you give 5, 8, it can be 6, 7. We can do. Any other information we make use? Any other information? The distance between O and N is 11 meters. 11 means 5, 8. What man? 11 means 5, 8. If it is 5, how we get 13? We don't get. Therefore, what is the next chance? This we can take it 6. This we can take it 6. And this we can take it 7. Tell me student, how we get 13? 13 combinations What is the chances for 13? 13 chances are 5, 8 and getting 13 chances are 6 and 7. Tell me how? 5, 8 and 6 and 7. If this is 5, 8, this must be 6 and 7. What we do? Tell me student, what we do? 5, 6, then it can be 8. Therefore, this is 5, this is 6. 5 plus 6, 11, satisfied. 5, 8, 13 satisfied. 6, 7, 13 satisfied. 5 plus 8, 13 satisfied. 6 plus 7, 13 satisfied. O to N, 11 meters satisfied. Everything done. But I find that you are unable to get my point clearly, because maybe this is too early to discuss this level of question to you. Probably I might have gone with some simple questions, isn't it, my dear students? Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, you are not getting it right. Probably I might have get into this level after discussing some more questions. I understand that. Tomorrow we do that. Tomorrow I just want to make some changes. I understood that you find it little difficult. I thought that you are getting so quickly, therefore I went to this level straight away. But I found that we need to discuss some basics. So tomorrow we do that. I will get back to the question, my dear students. Please wait for some time. Tomorrow we discuss these questions again. Then I will go to the next level. That time you will be getting it more right. Thank you students. We will be